Nah.
Okay.
We just need it's a LS based car. So we just need something we can put a LS in and plug it up.
Okay.
Now the other thing that you can get, the Mustangs that went up. Yeah, the Mustangs that went up. But like a third gen Camaro, them good too because there's a lot of room up under the hood.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a whole bunch of room up
sense.
under the hood. You could work with that motherfucker.
I remember how long that car was super long and pointing. I missed that car, dude. I loved it. You know what that car reminds me of? Because the way I was raised, I wasn't actually allowed to listen to music that wasn't Christian music. I was raised very, very religious until I was 16. And when I was 16, they couldn't really control what CDs I went out and bought.
Damn.
I do what I want. That was like the first time I ever listened to actual music was when I was 16 in that fucking Firebird.
Damn, I didn't pass my car, fool.
Ooh, I really want an 89 now. Now I want a Firebird, like KC Max, dude. It's literally the exact same.
Yeah. You can get that.
That's the one. If I could find that, that would be my. If you could combine like a budget build and a dream car, that would be it.
Well, that's easy. You can get
Is
that.
It?
Yeah.
Let's do it, man.
Let's freaking do it, buddy.
Let's do it. But then it's not a plug and play LS setup, though, is it?
Man, we'll put you a carburetor. You really need a carburetor now that I think about it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna carburate you, man. That way, as soon as you come out,
carburetor or fuel injected, is that the two?
Yeah. You
okay. And LS is fuel injection.
Yeah, you need
the older motor,
dang.
Which.
Golly, man.
I want to put this shit online too. Like I want to make some videos where you're helping me out with this stuff. Put it up on the internet so people can watch. Then they can race motherfuckers, bro. We could grudge race it. Let them see what motor it is. They won't see everything.
Hey, man. Let me see. And I got this new mic. I don't think my auto tune came through like I really wanted it though. My fucking yeah. When I press that button, it's a fool. Let me see if I do it like this. Is it messed up on your end?
It's gonna be at 15K. It's still not running.
What happened?
What?
Is my voice messed up on your side?
No. You're good. Sorry, I was reading your chat.
Did I get any? Hey. I'm trying to get my let me check. Hey. No, it ain't nothing different. Hey.
Can y'all hear us?
Yeah. I was trying to get
whoa, that sounded weird.
Yeah, I fucked it up.
Whatever that.
Let me see what the hell.
It sounded like the aliens just landed, bro. I gotta put that ball down, man.
Okay. Let me see what else I need to show y'all. You ain't even see my car, fool. I made a
you
fool.
Have to learn how to tune the car, but that's okay. That's what I mean is I'm probably
man. You just need to go carbureted, fool. Don't even worry about all that tuning. Cause that
so if I have a carburetor, do I not have to worry about a computer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the computer was put in to control the fuel injection.
Yeah.
And make the air and fuel ratios correct.
Which is the same thing the carburetor do.
Okay. So yeah, I kind of do want to start on some older stuff then.
What the fuck kind of
okay, now we're getting an idea. Dude, look how pretty that car is. That's what I mean. That's fucking beautiful, bro.
Watch it make a pass. Hey. Look out.
This guy burning you down, bro. Get the fucking beams! That's how I be yelling at him.
See, I think that little smoke is the blow head gasket too. I was racing against that turbo truck.
That thing is out, bro. It got out quick.
Yeah.
How much different does that car feel than your Caprice? Because your Caprice is the fastest thing I've ridden.
The Mustang.
I know it's faster
than the Caprice,
but I'm saying out of the on the launch because you're on the nitrous and you got that supercharger, right?
Yeah.
So how does that feel? Like, is it the next level of
fuck? That's the next level of fuck. That Mustang. When you drive that Caprice, you be thinking, oh yeah, that's a cool little street car. Yeah, it's a cool.
Yeah.
When you in that Mustang, you on the street, you be like, boy, you better. Hey,
Don't touch the gas, bro.
hell no,
Or tell me if you're gonna.
See, on the street, I be pushing that Caprice to the floor. Bitch, go ho.
Yeah.
Yo, this bitch running. Can't do that shit in that Mustang.
Right.
You bet can't do that shit in that Mustang.
Okay.
Your ass be in somebody's house, somebody's living room.
Okay, so we're looking for a third generation Camaro or Firebird.
Yeah.
And I would like a Firebird, but I also get that cars are expensive, and if it's way too fucking expensive to do that, then
all of them too goddamn expensive.
I know, but I'm saying, like, if we're talking about
that beat,
two or three times the price, then I'll just go with a Camaro.
This used to be that beat, boy. I was in love with this beat right here. When I first found this beat, oh, dude, those Roadmasters are hot and ultimate sleepers. Nah, fuck a road. That's too heavy for that's too. Hey, you know 1D Stone Vet? You know that car called 1D?
No, I don't.
Ah, you didn't miss that on 1D. I'm gonna show you my car one more time for the one time. I think I made another pass. You know I got them 12s in that bitch. 312. I'm the only
in
one.
The Mustang?
In the Mustang. I'm jamming on the way to the track. I'm jamming this shit. Love it. Hey, 312s in the back. How much did that shit cost? Man, it costs a stack. Pulling up car. Supercharger amps on the rack with the epicenter. Oh, did I mention? Can't get right here, and I'm on the pension.
I would be talking all kinds of shit about. I would show everybody those speakers. You don't want to race me, man? I got all this extra weight.
I got 312s in the trunk.
It just helps you hook, though, don't it?
312s in the trunk. Hey, 312s in the trunk. At the damn track, I got 312s in my trunk.
One deep is a budget build. Ooh, okay, I want to see it.
In the trunk.
You know, Trent offered to let me work on whatever car I start to build at his place.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know their setup or whatever, but I feel like those are good people.
Oh, that bitch jam. Hey.
And he knows third gen Camaros.
Got security up there.
That just reminded me, since we were talking about building a third gen.
Let me see. I need to show you one deep. You ain't seen one deep. Okay, look at racing. Look out. Hey.
What about an old G body?